everybody, Virgo Creativity here. And look, on my last video I said that I was going to come back and share with you what I end up getting on my birthday and just talk about it a little bit. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit subscribe. I would love to have you along. Okay, and once you hit subscribe, make sure that you press the bell notification to all. Okay, and I end up getting blessed twice. Okay, the first time I end up getting blessed right here with this ring light. Okay, and I have another one that I end up getting blessed with for my birthday. And so it's right here. Okay, as you can see, this one is a little smaller and this one is bigger. Okay, my first stop, I end up going to, let me sit back because I feel like I'm just all up in y'all face. Okay, y'all probably can see my nose hairs and everything. Like, goodness gracious. Okay, okay, yes, give me glow. Ooh, 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 ooh. Goodness, yeah, let me sit back so I can get into my benevolent light. Okay, stand into your light. Okay, yes, so you can shine bright. What? Who's stopping you? Nobody. Okay, nobody. Yes, okay. Yes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this haul, shall we? Yes, and thank you to each and every one of you that's here supporting me. Okay, those that give thumbs ups. I went to the 99-cent only store, right? So yes, the 99-cent only store. So I end up spending $1. So this is a fall, because I'm feeling fallish. Like, I am so feeling fallish like right now. Okay, so yes, I end up getting this lovely, okay, autumn fall decor for $1. Yes, the scarecrows too for $1. Yes, okay, I'm just saying $1, $1. Yes, okay, take your creativity and just make it work. Okay, make it work. And then look, I'm noticing that this is everywhere. Okay, this print, this plaid print. Okay, say that twice. Plaid print, plaid. Okay, so like I was saying, okay, I'm noticing that this print is everywhere. This plaid print is like everywhere. So, and I was like, how can I incorporate this pumpkin, you know, into the small space in throughout the houses, just to give a little fall vibe. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pumpkins that I already have, because I'm like, I'm not about to spend a whole bunch of money on fall decor. Okay, that's just me. And then so I also end up getting this. Okay, here, look at the price. Look at the price. Wow, $1.99. $1.99. $1.99. Yes. It was in the 99-cent only store. Yes. Okay. And it's by none other than Paris Hilton. Yes. Okay. So you end up getting a contour brush, a powder brush, and a foundation brush. Yes. Yes. Okay. So for $1.99, you cannot beat that. Okay. So I end up going into DD's as well. Okay, so now from DD's, okay, I end up getting this cincher here, and it was $11.99. Okay, what do they call these things, like the faja like stretch? Okay, and I end up getting mine's in a size medium. Okay, so here's another bag. Okay, now this right here, this is just like so cute. Like, I already know how it's gonna fit me. So when I end up going into DD's, I was like, I was going around, and sometimes I go into, like, I go all around the different sizes, because you just never know what you're gonna end up finding. So I end up finding this jumpsuit right here. Like, this jumpsuit is everything. Look at the stripes. Okay, okay, that maroon burgundy color, black and white, and it has ruching on the sides. Okay, little gathering ruching there, and then it has a tie belt. Okay, yes, it has a tie belt, and it also has wide legs to it. So Let me come back a little bit. See the wide legs? Yes. You could turn this too and wear this in the fall. Like, I'm gonna rock this before the summer is out, but if you wanted to, you could put a blazer on with this. Okay, get you some nice little long length chain, or a fashion chain, some nice boots. Okay, and yes, even if you wanted to, put you on a scarf. Okay, so yeah. And then I end up getting this dress. Like I said, that was $8.99, and this dress is in the size 3X, and it was $3.99. I'm sorry, $8.99. It was $8.99. And what drew me to it was the colors. Okay, so you see the rust that's in the flowers. Okay, and it also has a tie belt where I could take an extension. I know that I'm not a 3X, but that's okay, because look at the color. You could take this, wear it for the fall too. Put a turtleneck on, okay? Get you some boots, yes, okay? Throw you on a jacket, and yes, you're styling. So yes, affordable, at an affordable price. So someone ended up telling me that lavender was my color. It complemented my skin tone, okay? So I was like, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, because at first I was on the fence about it, but then I was like, no, this is actually beautiful. So there's a split up the middle, which I wish it was on the side, but it's actually so cute, and it has a heart like bustier, like half bodice, I guess you would say. And it has zipper along the back here. Okay, so yes. And it was only, let's look at this price. Look at that price. $5.99. Yes. Okay. I was like, I had to get it. Okay. So then I also end up getting some BDs. Okay, so let's get into you see that heart. You see that heart. Yes, you see it. Okay. Burlington. Yes. So let's do it real quick. Okay. So why not? That's my motto. Why not? Okay. So this purse. Okay. Yes. The brand is Adrian Benedini. Adrian Benedini. Okay. Yes. You see the gold hardware there. Gold hardware, yes. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful, right? I'm just saying, it's just like everything. Okay, so there's the A and the V, okay? So it has a magnetic closure snap. It snaps closed, okay? It has a front pocket, okay? And then in the inside, it's like that beautiful maroon color. Do you see that? Okay, so many different compartments, okay? So and it's a crossbody. And then on the back of the bag, okay, there's a zip. Yes. So easy accessible. You want to just have your keys, okay? You can even put a coin purse there. So yeah, isn't that pretty? So yeah, look at that. Okay, and guess how much it costs? Guess. I'll wait. Doo, 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 doo. $16.99. $16.99. Yes, $16.99. Long straps here. Okay, gold hardware, gold claps. Okay, yes. Even the detailing and gold here on the back. So you already know gold everywhere. That's why I ended up getting it. Okay, so that was only $16.99. And then I moseyed on around the store, and then I was like, okay, what else can I get? Okay, so I end up getting this headband, yes. And as you see, it's adorned with pearls. Okay, yes, pearls. It's so lovely. And I believe that this is taffeta. Okay, so I end up getting this. And if you're wondering, this headband came from Ross, and it was only 50 cents. Okay, so yes. You saw those pearls. Now look at these earrings. Yes, let me get in close so you can see. Look, And look at the price, okay? $3.99. Like, you cannot beat that, okay? So as you can see, like, I love like earrings and stuff. I just love stuff like this. Like, yes, cute, right? I know. So cute. So those were the pearls. And what did I have to do? Bless the pearls again with some more pearls. Okay, so look, I end up getting this bracelet set here, and you get four, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 set. Look at the price was $6.99 by Ellen Tracy. Okay, so yes. Okay, yes, so beautiful, right? And so I end up getting this Pixie brand, okay, by Pixie Petra, okay. Hello, English Rose, okay, and it's 0183. So yes, look at the colors. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I cannot wait to play in this makeup. So from Dollar Tree, I forgot to add this in here. I end up getting another brush by Wet and Wild. Okay, and so let me share with you. Ah, okay, yes. Look at this. Ah, wow, you see. Oh my God. Go everywhere. Go everywhere. I'm just saying, though, like, ooh, ooh. Yes, okay. At an affordable price. Like, it wouldn't be right. $4.99, okay, by the Juicy Couture brand, Los Angeles, California. Yes, flawless, flawless, okay, flawless face, 7-piece brush collection, okay. You get a contour highlight blush. Yes, it's all inside, okay, for $4.99. Yes, $4.99. So yes, that was Burlington. And let me look at my receipts, because I'll tell you exactly. Okay, because I don't, let me show you, because I spend my own money. Can you see my receipts there? Yes. DD's. Okay, I end up spending $70.46. And I also bought a teapot. Okay, yes, I have been wanting a teapot, and it was only $7.99. So I cannot beat that. And then in Burlington's, I end up spending $61.82. So I'm like, yes, yes. So, okay, now this is the bag that my mom got me. Okay, now isn't this so cute? This is the bag here, okay, and on the bag it says yoga class. Okay, so in goes. She ended up getting me some more lashes, okay? Yes. So these are the number 113s as well as the 101s, okay? Yeah. Okay. So yes, and she actually does a good job of picking out lashes. Like, she really does. Like shout out to you, boo. Okay, so she ended up getting me this skillet here, okay? And it has a cookie dough inside. So yeah, look at this little cast iron skillet. This is too cute. Okay, and then she ended up getting me, look at this. Look at this bracelet. Now, we were on the same accord because you saw the pearls, so she ended up getting me this here. And look at that. Look at all of the sparkle in that. That is just so pretty, right? Just too pretty. Oh, goodness. So I can't wait to wear that. And she also ended up getting me some dinero, okay? So thank you. Shout out to you. This is my card right here, okay? And it came in this pink envelope, okay? Yes. Shout out to you. Okay, so this is what I was blessed with. So I just, like, I'm so grateful. So, okay. So yeah. Thank you to each and every one that made my day special. I appreciate it. Okay. all of the birthday wishes, okay? And you know, birthday wishes are free, okay? They don't cost you anything. So I want to share my fall little items that I have that I've already, because like I said, I'm feeling fallish, and I'm going to try to find ways to incorporate what I already have. Okay, so now I have this sign here that I end up getting from Dollar Tree. Okay, and we all seen these around, so this sign is like pretty popular. Okay, so I'm going to put this out, okay, with the fall items that I had shared here. Okay, now I don't know what I'm gonna come up with, but I'll try to figure it out. But here, and then I have the scarecrows, right? So I showed that, and then now, because I love gold so much, like, do you see this pumpkin? Like, this pumpkin was like, I ended up getting this from the 99-cent only store last season, and this pumpkin was only $1, okay? And then here's another gold one. So yeah, look at that. It's so beautiful and pretty, right? Like, I'm just saying, like, these are too cute. And then I also end up getting this one. Now look at this one. This is like rock starish. Like, this is just so filled with spikes and everything. Like, look at that. Okay. Yes. So I have to find a way to incorporate. Okay. So let me put these down. Okay. And so I also have this. Okay, which came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so yeah, I have to find some way. So I don't know what I'm gonna come up with in this little space, but look, I think I'm gonna spread these things throughout the house. And this ended up coming from Rite Aid, okay, on clearance. Okay, so yes, when they mark things down, here I come. Okay, like I'm just saying. Okay, so yes, this was like, I think it was $13, but I ended up paying, I think, $3 or something for it. And it has a little welcome here. Okay, so yes, and then I have another pumpkin right here, which came from Dollar Tree. So we'll see. And guess what? I forgot to share, because you know, this time of the season, popcorn, my candy corn, all that good stuff. So yeah, and not to forget my candle. Yes, this is how it looks. Please don't sleep on the dollar store candles. I'm just saying, don't sleep on them. Okay, so this is the toasted marshmallow. And so, yeah, because I was feeling fallish and my birthday came, and I think I have something else. Yes, let me close this up. And he's a pretty big guy. And I have this one too, okay, that I never end up using, okay? So he's pretty tall, and I don't know, okay? So, but yeah. Okay, guys, that concludes everything. I shared everything, I showed everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and slide on up out of here. Okay, this is your girl Virgo Creativity. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Okay, yes, that you love to do. All right, and I'm out. Peace, 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 peace everywhere. Okay. I don't want to let go of the summer, but I have to. All right. Peace, you guys. Okay, I forgot. Like, I'm always forgetting something. My mom also ended up getting me all of these hot sauces. Okay? You see?